Are your drone flights feeling incomplete? Maybe you're missing out on epic shots, struggling with battery life, or constantly worrying about crashes. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to truly superior drone operation with accessories that aren't just nice-to-haves, they're game changers. Get ready to elevate your drone experience from good to absolutely legendary. So you've unboxed your new drone, mastered the basic controls, and captured some decent shots. But you know there's another level, right? That's where the right accessories come in. They're the key to transforming your flight experience from standard to stunning. Let's start with the most common complaint: flight time. Tired of that low battery warning just when you found the perfect shot? The single most important upgrade is extra batteries. But don't just get one. Invest in a set of intelligent flight batteries and a multi-port charging hub. This lets you charge multiple batteries simultaneously, so while one is in the air, others are getting ready. You can stay out in the field for hours instead of minutes. Couple this with a powerful portable power bank, and you can even recharge your batteries on site, far away from any outlet. Now, let's talk safety and portability. Nothing's worse than the fear of a crash, especially when you're starting out. Simple clip-on prop guards are a lifesaver for indoor flights or navigating tight spaces. They protect your propellers and whatever you might bump into, and for taking off and landing, especially in grassy, dusty, or uneven areas, a foldable landing pad is a must. It keeps your gimbal and camera clean and provides a stable surface every time. When you're done, pack it all away in a high-quality, compact drone case. A good case with custom foam inserts protects your investment from bumps, drops, and the elements while keeping everything organized. Okay, your drone is powered up and protected. How do we make your footage look like it belongs in a movie? The secret weapon of pro videographers is a set of NDPL filters. Neutral density filters are like sunglasses for your camera, allowing you to use slower shutter speeds for that buttery smooth cinematic motion blur, even in bright daylight. Polarizing filters cut down on glare from surfaces like water and glass, making your colors pop. Most come in convenient magnetic sets, so you can swap them out in seconds. For even more creative flair, consider a wide-angle or anamorphic lens attachment. These can give you a wider field of view or that classic cinematic letterbox look, unlocking entirely new perspectives. And please, don't skimp on your memory card. A high-speed U3-rated microSD card is crucial for recording high-resolution video like 4K or 8K without dropped frames or errors. Ready to upgrade your control and safety? While using your phone as a screen works, an advanced remote controller with a built-in, ultra-bright screen is a total game-changer. It offers a clearer, more reliable FPV feed without draining your phone's battery or being interrupted by calls and notifications. For enhanced safety, especially if you fly during dusk or dawn, anti-collision strobes are fantastic. These small, bright lights make your drone visible from miles away, helping you and other pilots maintain situational awareness. And for the ultimate peace of mind, a small GPS tracker attached to your drone can help you locate it in the worst-case scenario of a flyaway or a crash in a hard-to-reach area. Finally, for those who are truly serious about honing their skills, FPV goggles offer an unparalleled immersive flying experience. You'll feel like you're right in the cockpit, which can be incredible for both racing and cinematic flying. It takes practice, so consider a drone training simulator first. These programs let you connect your actual controller to your computer to fly virtually, so you can crash without consequence and perfect your maneuvers before taking to the skies. These accessories aren't just about spending more money. They're about investing in your creativity, safety, and overall enjoyment of this incredible hobby. Start with the ones that solve your biggest pain points, and you'll wonder how you ever flew without them. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more drone tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which accessory you think is the most essential. Fly safe, and I'll see you in the next one.